more than a food bag, a smarter way to carry meals. Every insulated bag starts with a controlled production process designed for consistency in every detail. Made with an insulated layered structure, this bag helps reduce heat loss during transport. Rigid plastic handles and a reinforced top make it stronger to carry. And at the bottom, the thermal insulated lining adds another layer of protection, helping keep hot food warmer and chilled items cooler for longer. Simply place your meal inside. From hot food to chilled items, it's made for convenient food handling. Manufactured by HAPLAST Group, this product is backed by recognized certifications that reflect our commitment to quality control, product compliance, and export-ready manufacturing standards. That is why global partners continue to place their trust in HAPLAST. Looking for a reliable insulated food bag manufacturer? Partner with HAPLAST Group for practical, export-ready packaging solutions.